Hi guys, it's Carrie. I'm so sorry I haven't been able to post a video in a while. I've been really busy moving into a new place, so more to come on that. But in the meantime, I thought that I would share this box opening video with you. I picked up this really cool, interesting, different doll called Vladonna, and she was designed by one of the contestants named Pearl from RuPaul's Drag Race, also known as Matthew Lent. And it was created for Kidrobot, so it's sold by Kidrobot, and it's sort of a combination of a jointed doll or a articulated doll and one of the vinyl figures. So I initially got started in customizing by working on vinyl figures, and so I'll insert some of those photos here. I used to customize like vinyl toys and like Vinylmations and pop vinyls and things like that, and so I'll show you some of the pictures here. So I was really excited to get started on this doll because she has as a combination of both a doll and a vinyl figure, and that's something that I haven't done in a while. I was excited to try her. And I want to do something to just really appreciate or take advantage of the fact that she's one big canvas. So I have a few ideas, but let me know in the comment section below what you think might be a good idea to do with this doll. As you can see, she came with a stand, and her lips are quite large, but that could be something that can be worked with. You could literally do anything with this, carve it or add epoxy sculpt to it. So I have a few ideas. Her hair is kind of thinly rooted, so her head can be removed. Initially it was a little difficult here in the video to remove it, so I was afraid I'd break it, so I didn't try, but I later found out that it can be removed. So I'll probably replace this hair. Her breasts are an unusual feature, so they're kind of like pulled over the body as sort of an overlay, and they're a soft material and hollow, and I guess that's to prevent it from being too top heavy maybe. But I was just kind of trying to feel underneath to see what was under there and if that was an alternative to be able to remove it, but it doesn't look like it. She's got these huge hands. Kind of weird looking, but I like the kookiness of the character. Very small waist, and she's jointed at the legs or at the knees, but the upper legs won't move too well, so she can't sit down, so that was a little disappointing. But overall I think it's really interesting, cute, and fun, and I can't wait to style it. So I'm trying really hard here to see if I can get her to sit down in any sort of way, and I can't. If any of you guys have this doll and have posed her sitting down, let me know what I'm doing wrong. So I'm trying on a Monster High shoe, so it's a little bit big. So I'm thinking she can probably wear one of the smaller dolls like Twyla's shoes, or she may even be able to wear Barbie doll shoes. So like I said, I just really want to take advantage of the canvas here. I'll probably do some designs on her body, but also still kind of try to stay to my style. Have any of you guys got this doll or seen it or know anything about it? Let me know in the comment section below. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I should have a video coming out soon of a male repaint, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love if you would subscribe. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.